Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the place where we break down everything you need to know about cryptocurrency and finance. If you're here, you're probably on the lookout for the next big altcoin that could make serious gains in 2025. The crypto world moves fast, and while Bitcoin and Ethereum have taken the spotlight, the real growth potential often lies in smaller, emerging altcoins that many people overlook. Today, we're going to dive deep into 5 altcoins with strong fundamentals, growing communities, and unique tech that could set them up for massive growth. We'll explore each one's core technology, market demand, and the reasons why they might explode soon. Remember, altcoins can be volatile, but that's also where the opportunity lies. Now let's jump into the top 5 altcoins set to explode in 2025. First on our list is Alephium. Alephium, or ALF, is a next-generation blockchain focused on enhancing scalability and security. Unlike many other blockchains, Alephium is built on a unique design called block flow, combining sharding and blockchain principles to increase transaction speed without compromising security or decentralization. Why Alephium stands out? 1. Scalability with security. Alephium's block flow solution is groundbreaking because it overcomes the traditional blockchain trilemma by being secure, scalable, and decentralized simultaneously. This is an advantage over networks that often sacrifice one to benefit the other two. 2. Energy efficiency. In a world where eco-friendly solutions are becoming essential, Alephium has committed to reducing its carbon footprint, making it a more sustainable alternative to traditional proof-of-work chains. 3. Developer community. Alephium has a growing, engaged developer community that's focused on building decentralized applications (dApps), and there are increasing partnerships with tech innovators. This community involvement will help the coin gain traction and increase adoption in 2025. 4. As a small cap coin, Alephium still has room to grow, but its innovative tech stack makes it one to watch for serious gains in the upcoming year. On second place, we have Render RNDR. Render RNDR is transforming the graphics industry by creating a decentralized rendering network. In simple terms, it enables people with high-powered computers to rent out unused computing power to those who need it for rendering digital assets, animations, and visual effects. Why Render is poised for growth? 1. Rising demand for graphics processing. The demand for graphic-intensive applications in gaming, virtual reality (VR), and artificial intelligence (AI) is skyrocketing. Render offers a solution for studios and creators by providing affordable, scalable rendering. 2. Real-world utility. With established partnerships in the entertainment and design industries, Render's platform has real-world use cases, giving it a strong foundation for mass adoption. 3. Token demand. Render tokens power transactions on the network, meaning as more people adopt Render's services, demand for RNDR tokens will naturally increase. Render combines a real-world application with blockchain technology, filling a critical gap in the digital content creation industry. With the increasing need for decentralized computing solutions, Render is positioned for significant growth. Third is Chainlink. Chainlink, or Link, is widely recognized as the leading decentralized Oracle network. Oracles play a vital role in the blockchain ecosystem by providing smart contracts with reliable data from the real world, bridging the gap between blockchain technology and everyday applications. Why Chainlink continues to be promising? 1. First mover advantage. Chainlink is the most established Oracle provider in the crypto space, trusted by numerous DeFi projects and well-known organizations alike. 2. Partnerships and adoption. Chainlink has strategic partnerships across finance, insurance, and gaming, which gives it a robust ecosystem and network effect that smaller projects struggle to compete with. 3. Steady development. With the recent launch of Chainlink 2, the team is pushing the boundaries of what oracles can achieve, allowing for even more complex and reliable data handling on the blockchain. Chainlink remains a top pick for 2025 because of its essential role in the DeFi ecosystem. As the DeFi space grows, so will the need for reliable oracles, which can fuel Link's long-term growth. On fourth place, we have Near Protocol. Near Protocol is a Layer 1 blockchain built to support decentralized applications with a focus on usability and scalability. It's known for its user-friendly design, making it a go-to for developers and users alike. Why Near Protocol is a top pick? 1. Developer-friendly. Near Protocol prioritizes ease of use, offering simple onboarding and low transaction fees, making it attractive for developers and new projects. 2. Sharding technology, like Alephium, Near uses sharding to enhance its scalability. This allows it to handle more transactions per second than many competitors, making it highly scalable. 3. Growth potential. Near has been gaining traction in the Web3 space, with a lot of projects choosing it as a platform for dApps. As more projects launch on Near, its value could see significant growth in the coming year. Near protocol's scalability and ease of use make it a strong contender for explosive growth in 2025, especially as more developers choose it over more complex alternatives. And for 5th place is Ondo Finance Ondo. Ondo Finance Ondo is a decentralized investment platform that offers structured finance solutions in the DeFi space. Unlike other platforms that rely on traditional lending and borrowing, Ondo's primary goal is to provide innovative investment products that cater to both high-risk and risk-averse users. Why Ondo Finance has high potential? 1. Niche market. Ondo Finance is one of the few platforms focused on structured finance for DeFi. This unique approach allows users to earn interest in a more diversified and balanced way, appealing to investors with varying risk tolerances. 2. Passive income potential. Ondo offers yield-generating products that provide investors with the opportunity to earn passive income while staying in the DeFi ecosystem. 3. Market demand. As DeFi continues to grow, more users will seek products that offer consistent yields and balanced risk. Ondo is well positioned to cater to these users, making it a promising asset in 2025. Ondo Finance brings something new to DeFi, focusing on risk-managed returns and structured finance. This unique approach could attract both new and experienced DeFi investors. That wraps up our list of the top 5 altcoins set to explode in 2025. Each of these coins brings something unique to the crypto space, whether it's groundbreaking tech, essential services, or a solution to a growing problem in the digital economy. Remember, while we've highlighted the potential of these coins, the crypto market is unpredictable and no investment is guaranteed. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. I encourage you to do your own research, consider your financial goals, and make decisions that align with your risk tolerance. Cryptocurrency investments come with risk, and only invest money you're willing to lose. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the world of crypto and finance. Drop a comment below on which coin you're most excited about, or if there's an altcoin you think should have made this list. See you in the next video.